Big hills, bumpy terrain, and long distances can be a tough challenge for anyone, but especially wheelchair users. To find a solution, companies like Permobil are working on developing front attachment devices for wheelchairs, which essentially turn a manual wheelchair into a handbike. BATEC Mobility has a variety of great products available for wheelchair users. However, like all technology, there is room for improvement in the wheelchair attachment field. Permobil is a company that works to develop, manufacture, and market wheelchairs, seating and positioning and communication systems for people with disabilities. Existing technology for wheelchair front attachments currently resemble bicycle handlebars and brakes. For example, a current BATEC model utilizes a bicycle-style braking system and a twist throttle accelerator to power their front attachment. This setup works for some wheelchair users, but some, like quadriplegics, are unable to benefit from these front attachment devices. Quadriplegia is the most severe form of paralysis. It is most commonly caused by a spinal cord injury, but other conditions, such as cerebral palsy and strokes, can cause a similar appearing paralysis. A common misconception is that quadriplegics have no ability to move their arms or their legs. This is not always the case. Depending on the severity of the injury and paralysis, many quadriplegics can move their arms, but have limited control over their hand movements. While each case of quadriplegia is different. This year, our team partnered with Permobil to develop a quadriplegic-friendly front attachment that takes their unique needs into account. We worked with Permobil under these two assumptions. 1. The user can operate a manual wheelchair, having enough arm strength to push forward. 2. The user has limited hand strength, meaning they are unable to grip and twist a brake or throttle. Over these past many months, our team has been modifying the acceleration throttle and the braking system of a BATEC device to make it more inclusive for quadriplegics. First, let's look at our updated throttle. Because a quadriplegic user cannot grip and twist the current throttle model, our team decided to prototype and manufacture a thumb tab style accelerator for the device. Our gas pedal for the hand has undergone many iterations regarding its size, placement, and attachment to the device. The thumb tab eliminates the need for a strong grip. As the thumb tab rotates, the remaining handlebar stays stationary, promoting stability for the user. Many people with limited hand strength use figure-8 splints like this one, which would allow our potential users even more control over the thumb tab. Next, we updated the braking system of the device. Again, squeezing a brake lever is not an option for quadriplegic users. Our team replaced that braking system with this one. A push brake system when the user simply pushes the handlebars forward to trigger the stopping of the device. Leaning forward is a natural instinct when things come to a stop, which make the push brake design so ergonomic and user-friendly. Like the throttle design, this push brake system went through countless iterations regarding the attachment to the device, brake cable housing, and overall sensitivity. After converting the brake from a bicycle-style squeeze brake to our updated push brake, our team performed extensive testing to confirm the efficiency of our braking system. We applied a push force to the brake at multiple angles to simulate a person in a wheelchair operating the brake. In our test trials, we measured the force needed to start the braking process, as well as the force needed to use the full brake strength. One big benefit to our push brake system is that after pushing the handlebars forward to stop, the elasticity of the system will naturally return the handlebars to their initial position. No pulling is required. This helps brace the person in the wheelchair and returns them to the upright position. Our team is excited to have produced a functional prototype for Permobil. Over the last year, we have learned an incredible amount about wheelchair design, optimization, as well as the needs of the quadriplegic community that we are designing and working for. VUmobil and Permobil plan on producing more iterations of our new device. While our target demographic was a person with quadriplegia, we believe that our wheelchair design can continue to be adapted and modified to serve even more people with different disabilities. Our design is a very great proof of concept, but would need a lot of work before it hits the market. Necessary upgrades would include some sort of kill switch on the throttle when the braking is initiated, as well as others.